Good morning. I have no idea why it wants to only film in this direction today, but I'm not going to fight with it. Good morning, folks. It's Michelle here at Hesker's Emporium. Today on my work table is a little Bernina 600. She is, according to her serial number, made in 1963, so she is 1 year younger than I am. Very interesting. She's in better shape than me, I can tell you that much. Beautiful little machine. And the idea of this video is to show you how well she works. And also, if you've got any questions, you've got one of these machines, perhaps I can help answer it later on in another video if you are wondering how things work. But she has a light switch on the side. I still haven't replaced that for an LED light bulb. I'll do that at some point. This machine came to me in absolutely nearly brand new condition. The case even is still in a pristine condition. I just can't believe it. Interestingly, she has a motor which sits on the outside. Considering she's younger than some of my other machines that have a built-in motor, she's got an exterior motor, an exterior belt drive. I mean, look at the belt. It is still brand new. She's absolutely gorgeous. Her name, by the way, is Bobette. I've been testing her on all the different things. All I've done today is opened her up, cleaned her, oiled her, made sure everything is working. She took a while for the oil to start running through. She started running a little bit slow in the beginning. The house is still pretty cold, which is another reason, and the oil has started to set. And so it needed a really good oil. She's a very basic machine. The only stitches she does is straight stitch and zigzag from 0 to 4. And that can obviously become satin stitch and create buttonholes and stuff like that as well. But I'll just show you the stitch quality is phenomenal. Let's put her back onto a straight stitch. And we'll flip over that. So I've adjusted the tension a little bit. So the bobbin needs a tiny little bit of loosening. You can just see the bobbin is pulling the top thread through absolutely marginally at this point. So she'd be fine to use, but I like to get them absolutely spot on if I can. So I will adjust that at some point, but there you go. That's all you do. And then if you want wide zigzag, middle zigzag, and then stitch length over here. Stunning little machine. She's set into my bench. As you can see, this is a homemade sewing table that we've had for many years now. It's an old pub table, and hubby just cut a hole out of it. And all of my machines that I originally had with this table have a Perspex insert that goes into this outer ring here, and then the inside of the insert is cut to fit the machine, depending on which one I'm using. And I think I've got 4 or 5 inserts now. And this one I wouldn't bother to make an insert for because they have a bed, an extension table, and I just literally put them into the machine, raise the base of this table up so that this sits nicely and rests in the groove around there. I mean, it is so, as is with me, I was in such a hurry, it didn't give hubby a chance to seal up any of these. So if any of these little bits of wood catch, I just stick a piece of sellotape over them. So there you go. That's it. If you've got any questions on this little beauty, on how she runs, how she threads, anything along those lines, let me know, because she certainly doesn't need taking apart and cleaning for anything more than that. So have a wonderful day, folks.